Hello, my friends, and welcome to a lesson about, well, what you can do with all those fantastic parts of speech you're learning about. What you're going to need for this is some paper, chopped up into strips, and a glue stick, and how about some pencils? In fact, depending on the part of speech, maybe even the color you're working with. And for this demonstration, I'm going to work with the verb, because it's full of action. So I'm also going to grab a red pencil. Now, the idea of this lesson is create a chain. And you might have done this before. You take a piece of paper like this and you think about that part of speech and you write an example on the piece of paper. Ooh, I got a great one. Go! Pretty cool, huh? I bet I could think of another one too. Another action word. Go, huh? Um, hmm. Think! Pretty cool. Oh, can you think of one? What's another great verb? Huh. What? Really? Eat? Is that all you think about? My goodness. Well, I think we'll get one more in there, and I'm thinking of somebody really special with this one. No. And it's all of you! Okay, well, anyway, we've got enough words to start here. So the idea of making the chain is to take one of these pieces of paper, to take your glue stick, and to put a little dab right there, and then to bend this around and make a link. There's my link with my verb on it. Okay, very cool. And then I'm going to take another one and I'm going to curl that one around my first link. And I'm going to give it a little dab of glue right there. Magic disappearing glue, and curl it around. Now I've got two verb links on here. Cool. I could take another one, and I think you're starting to get the idea. We're going to turn these into a chain by adding link after link. And you could use blank paper, you can use lined paper, you can use colored paper. You could also try some other things with these chains. This chain will all be verbs, but what if I know something about verb tenses? I could create a past tense chain, a present tense chain, and a future tense chain. I created that echo effect there. So whatever type of chain you're working on, just remember to focus on that part of speech. So if you're working with the noun, all your chain links should have, yeah, names of things. If you're working with the adjective, all your chain links should have, yes, descriptive words, which are what kind, or for any that you decide to pick. Look at that preposition right there on the table. And this is a great way to get really familiar with your part of speech as well. So enjoy this follow-up activity, have fun with it, and I can't wait to see the crazy long chains that you build.